You dropped your car, we dropped the excuses. These are all the excuses we were tired of hearing from coilover companies. Excuse number one, normal wear and tear. We are not denying your warranty just because your coilovers wear out. Covering normal wear and tear on your coilovers is part of what lifetime warranty means to us. Zero excuses, you're covered. Excuse number two, we can't send your parts. Imagine taking your coilovers off your car, mailing them in a box, then sitting around while someone else decides if you get new parts back. Couldn't be us. We'll send your replacement parts first so you're never left on jack stands. And excuse number three, once it's installed, you can't return it. Say it with me, 30 days, baby. Try Racelands with zero obligation to keep them for 30 days, installed or not. If you aren't happy, get your money back. No questions asked.
I do have to give Raceland that credit. I mean, the stance, I love it. I love it.
I've put well over 15,000 miles on the competitive pricing, the range of vehicles that they make them for.
The installation of the coilovers was actually extremely easy. Build quality was actually incredibly good. The threads and the material used for the coilovers was top tier.
They do next day shipping on a lot of their suspension components, if not 2-day. A lot of customers on forums have raved about how incredible and speedy Gonzalez style their service on shipping has been. On top of that, to have a 2% return rate on a lot of products that are essentially entry-level suspension components, I'd say is pretty damn good. And judging by the people that actually use Raceland products, it does a good job, and you can't be mad at a company that does exactly what they say they're gonna do, that they're gonna provide a quality product that's gonna be entry level, that's gonna work great, that's gonna be constantly improving with great customer service and speed. It's like, what more could you possibly want?
So you get the stance you want without overpaying, and that is the Raceland difference.